Good morning, welcome to Johnson's Garden Time. Jeremy, it's late August. This time of year, the season, the weather changes, shorter days, cooler nights, and we've got a great opportunity for some new plants that we've grown at the garden center.
Of course, we've had a pretty, I guess, maybe even cooler than average summer this year, but a lot of times we get to this point, late August, early September, and our containers are kind of looking a little tired, and maybe we want a little refresh, but maybe we're not ready for mums and pansies and all that cool weather stuff yet. Got a lot of things here that have been developed over the past several years that we've kind of found are great to just refresh those containers as we get into the fall months.
Yeah, the plant breeders have come up with some series of different types of plants or different species, but let's look at some of those. We've got a couple different types of zinnias here today.
There's really two different types of zinnias. There's the large flowers like we've got down in front, and then we've got more the profusion type, which is a smaller flower, but not as much deadheading we need to do on the profusions. The larger Magellan types, we do need to maybe snip those flowers off when they're done flowering, but really gonna throw color on all the way until frost. So maybe if mums aren't your thing, this is a way you can have some great color, wide variety of different flower colors all through fall.
Okay, and of course we also have some cosmos and some other things that we've grown, and again a couple different types of those.
The cosmos are a plant we plant in the spring, but we found they do great as a fall plant as well. We've got kind of the pink brighter hues, or we've got more these kind of fall tones as well. One of my favorite plants that we've kind of come across the past couple years, this one we actually are buying in from our friends at Monrovia, but this is a sunflower. Doesn't get much more Kansas than a sunflower, but this one's called Sunbelievable Brown-Eyed Girl, and it's going to continue flowering, no deadheading, all the way to frost. But you've got the open flowers here, you've got more buds coming, going to be in constant state of color all fall long.
Okay, and of course an annual, and it's a great for our conditions. We've got some foliage plants, some red grass, and some ornamental grasses too, both annuals and perennials. As far as getting them established, we have a couple of products.
The premium bedding plant food from Fertilome is a kind of a medium release, so it's going to have some quick release, but you can put that in your containers, and it's going to feed the flowers as the fall goes on. And then the root stimulator we always recommend at planting time, just to get those roots growing and get those plants established, whether you're going in the ground or into container.
Okay, so keep us in mind as you're thinking about planting for fall. We've got a lot of things in the garden center, in the greenhouses, spring flowering bulbs coming in soon, pansies as well. So come see us. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you next time.